In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable Mini Toolbar in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so when you talk of Mini Toolbar, this is just the small bar that normally pops up whenever you select a text like this. But in some cases, you may be missing this toolbar. Let me show you how you can enable it. And again, if you no longer need this Mini Toolbar, I'll also show you how you can disable this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, now to enable or disable Mini Toolbar in Microsoft Word is pretty simple. Just go ahead and click on File here, and then under File, go down to Options. Under Option, go ahead and click on General, and then under User Interface Options, go ahead and check or uncheck this option called Show Mini Toolbar on Selection. If I go ahead and uncheck this option and then click on OK, now if I go to my text and highlight any text, you can see the Mini Toolbar doesn't pop up. However, if I go ahead and enable this option through the same settings and then check it again and click on OK, now the Mini Toolbar will be enabled. So that's how you can enable or disable Mini Toolbar in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.